Good morning, students. I welcoming you all on the online session of 2020-21. So before I proceed to complete the lesson, let's recall what we have learned earlier. So this is a story. The Musician of Bremen. As the story is all about four friends: cat, dog, donkey, and rooster. Because of their old age, they are not able to work. They are not able to serve their masters. So their master throw them out from the house. They met one by one together, one by one, and then after they become a friend, and they make a plan that they will go to a town called Bremen, that is famous for musicians. So they started their journey. Okay, now come to this paragraph. When they reached there, the sun had set. It was getting dark. The four friends were very tired and hungry. They saw a light at a distance. So when they go there, it was getting dark. The four friends very tired and hungry. So they saw a light at a distance. At a distance, they saw a light. So they were so happy that at least they get some food to eat there. Okay. So they hurried towards the light. Were very happy to see that it was an old farm house. Let's go in, said the rooster. So rooster said, let's go in. But the donkey said, no. Let's make sure it's a safe place. Stand on my back, tell us what you see. So the donkey said to the rooster, you sit on my back, okay, and tell me what is going on. Tell us what is going on there in detail, okay. Now the rooster saw some men sitting around a table. The rooster saw a group of men sitting around a table. They were having a grand feast. Grand feast means some celebration is going on. A special and large food is there. All over the floor were gold coins, jewels, and a lot of money. The gold coins, jewels, and a lot of money is there. They appear to be a thief, said the roosters. The roosters say they appear. I think that they are thieves. A thief means a person who steals things from others. Let's chase them away, then we can feast on the food, said the donkey. Here chase means that a donkey thinking let make them make something like that the thieves leave this place. Okay. Now the dog is planning, we can buy a beautiful house in Bremen with all the gold coins and jewels. So they began to sing. The donkey brayed. The donkey brayed. Brayed means sound made by donkey. The dog whooped, sound made by dog, barking sound. The cat mewed, sound made by cat. And the rooster crowed. Crowed means the rooster make a sound like a cock. Okay. Now hearing the noise, the thieves were terrified after listening so good music, melodious music. The thieves were terrified because it's nice for the all the four animals, but it's not nice music for the thieves. So they are in fear. They thought that some evil spirits had entered the house. They ran out of the house without finishing their dinner. So they leave everything and ran out from their house. The four friends then entered the house and had a hearty meal. They turned off the light and soon went to sleep. So they entered the house, had a hearty meal, good meal, and then switch off the light and go to sleep. A little past midnight, the thieves came back to take all the treasure. Now the thieves came back, okay, to take all the coins, money, all that thing. The four friends were fast asleep. They did not hear them. So they did not heard any noise because they are sleeping because so much of the tiredness and hungriness. One of the thieves crept into the house. It was very dark inside. So crept means move slowly. So one of the thieves get into the house, move slowly, and it was dark inside. The thief tripped on the cat. The cat woke up and scratched with his paws. So trip means unbalanced way. The this thief is lost his balance. Okay, at that time the cat woke up and scratch his leg, rub the skin with nails of your hand like that. Okay, now when the cat scratched his leg, he tried to run, but the dog pounced on him and bit him his leg. Now he tried to run. At that time this dog jumped on him and bite his leg. The thief cried out in pain. His feeling pain now. He limped along in the dark. Limped means walked with difficulty. And now he stepped on the donkey. The donkey gave him a good kick. On hearing all the noise, the rooster also woke up, flapped his wings, means moved his wings, and cried out, "Cock-a-doodle-doo." The thief took his heels. Took his heels means the back part of the human foot below the ankle. So he stepped back. He told his friend that there was a wicked monster in the house. What he told his friend, a huge animal is there, a ghost like animals is there. The thieves fled the place, never to come back again. So the thief fled the place, leave that place, and never to come back again. Now the four friends lived happily ever after. They had a nice little house, plenty of food to eat, and a lot of money to give them a life of comfort. And they soon become the great musician of Bremen. Now they become a great musician of Bremen. So hope you will understand the lesson, students. What you will do, you have to learn the lesson carefully, word by word, with correct pronunciation. Okay, students, and learn the word meaning also. Okay, student, thank you.